Physics is considered natural science because it deals with the things like matter, force, energy, and motion, as these all are related to tasks related to everyday life. So we can say that physics studies how the universe works, how Earth moves around the sun, how lightning strikes, how a refrigerator works, and many more. In short, physics defines how everything works around us. One cannot separate anything from science, and our world cannot disconnect itself from the wonders of physics. When we look around us, we can see a number of things that work on the principles of physics. We can explain our several activities by making use of the knowledge of physics. Here we will discuss some of the examples which will help us to learn how physics is playing its part in our life each day.
The boundary between physics and the other sciences is not always clear. For instance, chemists study atoms and molecules, which are what matter is built from, and there are some sciences who would be equally willing to call themselves physical chemists or chemical scientists.
Physics is very much important in our daily life. We are experiencing gravity, electricity, and so on and so forth, so that we must know about physics.
Physics is all around us. It is the electric light you turn on in the morning, the bus you take to school, your wristwatch, cell phone, radio.
So everyone, let us embrace physics and welcome ourselves to the world of science.
Physics involves electricity. Without electricity, our modern society will not be able to function.
Using electricity, we can transfer energy in ways that allow us to accomplish common chores like lighting, using appliances, and many more.
I'm Rudy Giovanna Jr. We discuss physics. Physics, a science that deals with matter and energy and the way they act on each other in heat like electricity and sound. So example of a physics is conduction. Conduction, heat transfer through the molecular motion, warm to cold. Thank you.
What is conduction? Conduction is the transfer of energy in the form of heat or electricity from one atom to another within an object by direct contact. Conduction occurs in solid, liquid, and gases. This movement can result in an electric current, which may be carried by electrons or atoms.
In other words, energy is transferred by direct contact. Here is the example.
When we say convection, it is the transfer of heat by the movement of a fluid, liquid, or gas between areas of different temperature. Warm air is less dense than cold air, and so conduction currents can form in the presence of a temperature gradient.
Light energy is used to see, either naturally using the sun or fire.
Our eyes are an incredible gift by God. We see wonders of the world by this small organ. When we talk about parts of body and their function, it is the general concept that we are talking about biology, but we neglect the fact that functions of our body parts are also working under the laws of physics and chemistry. If we talk about the sense of seeing, we come to know that our eyes works as a camera to see things around us. The lens in our eyes is convex. It converges or focuses light. When light enters our eyes, cornea and lens focus the light. Its iris controls the amount of light entering the eyes, and iris creates an image of retina, which is real and inverted like in camera. The image of light is converted into electrical signal by photoreceptors and sends the vision sensory of brain by optic nerve. The vision sensory analyzes the electric signal and arranges it into the original forms to be sensed by eye. The image we can see is due to the amount of light reflected from that object. This is the reason why we cannot see in dark.
Light helps us see and gives us vision. Through light, we easily identify the different colors that we have and appreciate the beauty of our nature.
The structures of an atom. atom contains three basic particles, the protons, electrons, and neutrons. The nucleus were placed in the center of the atom contains the proton, which is the positively charged, and neutrons with no charge. The outermost regions of the atom is called electron shells.
Wave can be described as a disturbance that travels through a medium transporting energy from one location to another location without transporting matter.
Let's have some example of physics in everyday life. First, alarm clock. Physics get involved in your daily life right from you wake up in the morning. The buzzing sound of an alarm clock helps you to wake up in the morning as per your schedule. The sound is something that you can see but hear or experience. This is studies the origin, propagation, and properties of sound. It works on the concept of quantum mechanics. Second, steam iron. Right after you wake up in the morning and start preparing for your school office, you need an iron clothes, and that's where physics comes into play. The steam iron is such a machine that uses a lot of physics to make it go. The foremost principle of physics used in the steam iron is heat. Heat in thermodynamic is a type of energy transfer from a warmer substance to a colder one. Ironing works by having a heated metal base, the salt plate. Third, walking. Now, when you get ready for your office or school, whatever medium of commutation is yours, certainly how to walk up to a certain distance. You can easily walk is just because of physics. While you haven't walked in the park or on the road, you have a good grip without slipping because of sort of roughness or resistance between the soles of your shoes and the surface of the road. This resistance, which is responsible for the grip, is called friction or traction. However, when a banana peel comes under your foot, you suddenly fall. Now, what makes you fall? Well, it's due to the reduced friction between your shoes and the surface of the road because of the slippery banana peel.
What's the science behind texting? When you hit send, how does the message leave your phone and make your journey to your friend's phone? At the back of our phone, there is what you call a battery, and there's an antenna, where is what you call that is sending messages through radio waves, and can be thought of as an invisible light. So how can that invisible light encode the message? So where does your message go? To the satellite or to your friend's phone immediately? Actually, no. The message goes on to the cell in your place and delivers it to your friend's phone. And there's also frequencies that is also called while sending in your phone a message. And that is what happens when you send a text.
Good afternoon, sir. My topic, my advocacy, is all about space. So, when we talk about space, well, there are many ideas about what to do in space. Are there stars in the sky? Space is big. It has a room for a lot of ideas, but space needs your support. It starts with you. Where there is on these groups and the companies, why it is.
And this is my advocacy. People keep on throwing trash in the sea and river, yet they don't know what will be the effect of what they are doing. That anyone could be affected in simple trust they are a simple wrapper of candy can destroy the world. And if you just put your candy wrapper in your pocket, it may be simple too, but it can help carry make a difference.
The importance of physics.
What is the importance of physics? Physics contributes to the technological infrastructures and provides trained personnel needed to take advantages and scientific advances and discoveries. Physics is an important education of chemists, engineers, and computer scientists, as well as the practitioners of the other physical and biomedical